मेरा नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल चेरी ऑन द टॉप where I share my creativity. So let's get started.
So the first thing I'm taking is this glass, and the second thing which I would require is this container, and this is the container which I'm using. I have removed the lid of it and I would just require this container and not the lid. So I'll just place this glass inside this jar, and this is how it will look. So I'm taking some hot glue and I'm going to apply this hot glue inside this jar very quickly. Then I'll place this glass inside this jar and it will get stick in few seconds. And it is sticked properly. Make sure you just take a really hot glue to stick it properly. So here I have taken a bowl and I have taken this acrylic color. It is basically a Camel Fabrica acrylic color 478 white. So I'm taking it out in this bowl and I'm taking some amount of color. You can take it according to your needs. So I thought that this much would be enough for mine. So I have taken this out. So now I have taken this Fabrica acrylic color. This is 031 Burnt Sienna. I have mentioned color name below because it was not visible on the camera. So I am taking it in a really small amount, and here I am mixing it, and it is slowly turning into a kind of beige, a nude color which I wanted for these vases. I'm again taking some amount of color. It is really less and just a pinch of it, and I'm adding it and mixing it. So this burnt sienna is basically, I thought that it might be a color tone of some brown. So I added that brown color into this white and it gave me this beautiful beige color. And now I am adding this. This is nothing but a baking soda. So I'm just taking a small amount of baking soda and I'm adding this into this color. I think I should actually add a teaspoon of color, but I didn't want this color to be really thick. So I'm just adding it in small portions. So again I'm taking some and I'm adding it into this. Again I'll mix it up. So I have done it like 3-4 times and I actually ended up adding the same amount of what I wanted, like 1 teaspoon. So now I am just taking this flat brush and I am taking my first vase and I am starting to color it. So I am coloring this vase with this beautiful color, and it is looking really nice and giving me that texture which I wanted. If you are the person who prefer the brighter tone, then you can add some amount of yellow color into this. It would give you a brighter tone. Even the color which we have used for this, like this burnt sienna, if you would change the amount of that color into white, it would give you a different shades. So it depends on what amount you are using for this color, because I preferred really small amount of color because I wanted this kind of beige color. So now secondly I'm taking this wood vase. It is a ready vase and I don't need to make it actually. So I am coloring it with the same color and I'm not changing it. So I'm applying that color here on this vase. And I think it is giving me a similar kind of texture, and there is not much of a change in terms of texture, I think, because probably both the surface, this one, the wood one and the glass one, both surface were really plain and soft. So I didn't find any need of sanding, so I didn't do it. So here I am almost done with this vase. Now the third one which I am taking is this bottle, a glass bottle. This is basically a perfume bottle which I am using, and I have removed labels from it. and now I'm going to apply color over here. I'm really happy while applying this color on this bottle because it is looking really nice and cute. If you have any bottles, containers with some different shapes, probably a glass one, then you can try it out and make some vases out of it. That would look really nice. This DIY project is actually trash to treasure project because you are turning this unused bottles and containers into these beautiful vases. So here is the first vase which I painted. I allowed it to get dry for 2 hours at least, and now it is completely dry. But there is one mistake which I have done, guys, and you guys should not do it. So that's why I'm telling it. So when I painted this vase, there was some excess color dripping down from the upper side, and I didn't blend it on time. So there are these drops, you can see the minor drops. So if you find some drops like this, immediately blend it so it won't form a kind of clot over there. So I moved towards this second vase which was also dried completely, and this is the second coat which I am applying to it, but it is showing me more texture than the previous one because the color got a little bit thicker with time. So before going ahead for second coat, I am applying this hot glue on this mouth of the bottle because when I was removing that spray tip, somehow I broke the glass part also. So I am applying this hot glue to give it a shape. So now I have taken this lemon yellow color, the acrylic color. So I am just taking a small amount of yellow color and I am adding it here. So now here I have taken a color named as crimson from acrylic color, and I am just taking a small amount of it and I am adding it here. And now it's time to mix these colors together, and I am mixing it. So it would give me perfectly a nude shade, more towards like a blush. Now the glue is fixed and I am moving towards this coloring process, and I am coloring this. And yes, with this second coat it is showing more texture, so that's amazing. So this is the fourth vase which I painted. This is basically a clay pot, and I found it and I thought of painting it, and it has turned really nice. I am saying this, guys, because I gave it only one coat and I thought, and with the one coat it's beautiful. So this is the final result after the 2 coats. So if you guys are wondering that on the whole video what kind of texture I was talking, so this is the kind of texture I was talking. This is basically a grainy texture and a rough look. So if you want to try DIYs at home, then please do try this DIY project at home. You would be fully satisfied and happy with the result. You can also try some olive color, more tones of black and some darker or warm tone, but I thought of using all neutral color and I really liked it. So here is the final look of all the vases which I painted. So here I painted these 4 vases, and I feel the first one which I painted on the glass, that turned out quite well, and the second one which I painted on wood, that was also really nice, and the third one which I painted on glass, so that turned out, I mean, beautiful. But if you ask me about the transformation wise, the 4th vase, that is the clay pot, it has transformed that clay pot completely. Because I was knowing that the glass surface, the perfume bottle would do quite well with this project, but I didn't expect that the clay pot would do that much great on this paint. So please do try this at home. Here I'm signing off for today. Thank you for joining. I'll come back soon with another video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day.